Today, most cars are equipped with alloy wheels. Various of road conditions make the wheels are easily damaged, such as cracks, encounter rubble, and also the engine surface. With the improvement of living standard, today's car owners and dealers are increasingly pursue a cost-effective maintenance method to restore damaged wheels to their original appearance. Under the situation that the wheel repair market continues to grow and develop, the survival of the fittest is an inevitable result. The methods of repairing the wheels by traditional ways has passed. I'm Alvin from Tan Crystal Machinery Corporation Limited. As the manufacturer of wheel repair machine, simpler and easier using machines are our constant pursuit, so AWR902VP was born. This machine uses mature designs such as multi-touch industrial PC system, gantry structure, cast iron bed, linear rail, precision ball screw, and adjusted the position of the axis control motor. At the same time, adopt independent spindle box. All of this makes the new structure machine meet the diversified market demand of different customers. Now, let's take a look at the internal structure of the machine. This is automatic two-post. The diamond cutter and the ruby sensor can be converted with one touch on the screen. The sensor with a long service life can perfectly copy the original curve of the wheel, and the larger cutter can ensure the perfect cutting effect. Second, big size chuck with soft jaw. 3-jaw and 6-jaw are optional, easy to install different size wheels. At the same time, it does not damage the outer edge of the wheel. Stable clamping, no shaking during operation, high accuracy. Ratchet wrench, quick to load and unload wheel. When we put the wheel on the chuck, it helps to save more labor and time cost. What's more, the vertical machine is easier to operate compared to horizontal machine. This is a magnetic hand wheel unit. It can be placed at the iron part of the machine. Easy to carry and use. We use it to control the movement of two axes. The left button to control the move direction. The right button is to control the moving speed. When the tools are in a higher position, we can use 100 and move faster. When the tools are getting close to the wheel surface, we can use 10 and 1 and move slowly. Set start point and end point. Move the sensor to start position and press the start point to record the ordinate. Use the same way to set end point. After setting, click the start detection button at the bottom of the display for auto detection. Now the machine is detecting the wheel. The sensor tip is 3 mm, which is consistent with the size of the cutter tip, improving accuracy. Contact type detection is more stable and accurate than traditional laser detection. It will not cause deform. When finished detection, it will exit automatically. This is a multi-touch industrial PC system. It is based on Windows and insert with self-developed optimization software. You can optimize the wheel curve directly, saves a lot of work. At the same time, it is convenient to operate by touchscreen or the wireless keyboard and mouse. When the detection finished, the system will switch into optimization directly. You can optimize the curve and save the data. The final step is wheel cutting. We can adjust the spindle speed and feed speed to realize different wheel repair effects. The spindle speed is very high while repairing wheels, so gantry structure, cast iron bed is necessary. It can ensure the stability and rigidity of the overall structure. Tan Crystal is a professional, comprehensive modern enterprise. Leading Chinese wheel repair machine to the world is our constant pursuit. Now we have agencies in UK, Germany, France, Netherlands, etc. Looking forward to establishing long-term cooperative relationship with more customers all over the world. The cutting has finished. The cutting time is about 3 to 10 minutes according to the wheel's size, shape, and the wheel repair effect. Rainbow, mirror, line drawing, all can be done by this machine. If you have interest to know more about this machine, please contact us.